Young Chop on the beat.
Okay, spill so.
Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy. Once again, I'm back, and I just wanted to talk to y'all about something very important. So y'all gotta listen up right quick, son. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna do this new thing on YouTube called The Young K Show, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a whole bunch of videos of rants and talking about a whole bunch of shit, and just be funny with it. You feel me? And also on this YouTube channel, I'm just gonna share my music, and I just need all y'all niggas to subscribe, bitches too. You feel me? But you know, just leave your boy a comment, give me some suggestions, you know, like a topic I should talk about. It's either broke niggas, annoying niggas, thirsty bitches, whatever it may be, you know what I'm saying? I'll talk about it, make it funny, make y'all laugh, and at the same damn time, be dropping my music, nigga. But for real though, yo, show some love, share this video with your friends, family, mom, dad, dog, cat, frog, rat, fucking monkey, elephant, I don't give a fuck, nigga. For real, just get me out there, I'm trying to be out there, you feel me? Just do me a favor, you know, I'll show the love back, you know, just get me out there. And titties. But thank you for all your time. Make sure you show your friends this video because it's gonna let them know what's ahead to come. Got a whole bunch of videos coming soon to come. I'ma fucking shit on all these niggas. It's my time, boy. It's my time. It's not LaQuisha's time. It's not Bonquiqui's time. It's not Fried Chickanisha's time. It's not Watermelon Drea's time. It's not Tyrell's time. It's your boy Young K's time. See, I don't got my G-Shock on right now, but it's my time, nigga. For real, share this video. Show some support. I love all y'all. Peace. Fat coochies.